So here's our part. So the first thing you want to do with any project, obviously, is you want to really get to know the geometry that you have to machine. So just take your time, look at each feature and see how it's oriented. As you can see on this part, it's a multi-sided part, so it's machined from multiple sides. We're just going to be machining the top today, and you'll see that it has some features on the bottom as well. Many of these holes go all the way through, so we're not going to be drilling all of those holes. And so, like I said, the main thing you want to pay attention to is there any areas that need special attention for you. Okay, we're just going to leave it at that and just sort of jump right in. I'm going to talk a little bit about what I did ahead of time. And let's go ahead and turn these layers on for just a second. So I already loaded a tool library. Look at those real quick. Okay, so we got a number of different tools. We got flathead tools. We got a shimper, and just a number of different things in here. In our let's exit out of that. You probably see it better here. So we got flat mills, drills. We got a face mill, a number of more flat mills. We got a center drill and some drills. We're not going to be using the ball mill. We'll leave that alone. So